Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. I am here with the revision of the 13th lesson, that is weather and seasons. So let's get started. An eventful week. The meaning of eventful is full of things happening all day. That's called as the eventful. Look at the pictures below. They say how the weather was last week. Pick words from the help box to describe each picture. So here the options are given. You need to choose the right one and you need to describe the picture. The first is on Monday, how was the weather? By looking at the picture, it says that the weather was windy on Monday. In this picture, it's showing that the air is moving, right? It's blowing. So the answer is windy. Next, how was the weather on Tuesday? The weather was sunny. By looking at the picture itself, we can guess that the weather was sunny on Tuesday. Next is on Wednesday the weather was cloudy. It means that there is no rain. The sky is filled with the clouds. So weather was cloudy on Wednesday. Next is on Thursday the weather was rainy. By looking at the picture itself we can guess that it's raining here, isn't it? On Friday the weather was stormy. Stormy means what? In this picture it's raining also and the clouds are thundering, isn't it? बिजली कड़क रही है and also बारिश हो रही. So it means that the weather is stormy here. Next, the weather on Saturday was windy. By looking at the picture itself we can guess that the air is blowing there. So the weather was windy on Saturday. So this whole week the weather was different on different days, isn't it, children? The weather is always changing. It may change in a few days or even within a few hours. So by looking at this chart, you can say that weather can change at any time, isn't it? It is always changing. On Monday it was windy, on Tuesday it was sunny, on Wednesday it was cloudy, on Thursday it was rainy, Friday it was stormy, Saturday it was windy, Sunday again it was stormy. So weather can change at any time. By looking at this chart, we can guess that weather can change at any time and it may change in a few days or even within a few hours. On the same day itself, sometimes what happens, children? It will rain on the same day and on the same day itself the sun will peep out, isn't it? The sun will peep out of the clouds. So it means that weather can change at any time. It may change in a few days or even within a few hours. It can be cloudy in the morning and bright and sunny in the afternoon. Some days are windy while some are calm. So it can be cloudy in the morning and sometimes it will be sunny in the afternoon, like I gave you the example just now. And some days it will be windy and some will be calm. Some days will be calm. Calm in the sense quiet. So it means that weather can change at any time. Next is changing places, changing weather. It means that weather will be different in the different places. Let's see the example here. Millie and Joy's father went to click some photographs one day. Read Millie's diary to know how his day went. So Millie and Joy's father, he went to click some photographs one day and this is Millie's diary. It will show that how her father's day went. So let us see this. The day was Monday and the date was 22nd June. In the morning, Dad went off to the hills to take some photographs. It was a sunny day. So on Monday 22nd June, Millie and Joy's father went off the hills to take some photographs and it was a sunny day. Okay, in the morning it was a sunny day. Afternoon, it was a long drive. The sun was up on the sky. Dad was feeling very hot. So in afternoon, what happened? The sun was up in the sky. It was very hot and it was a long drive. And Millie and Joy's father was feeling very hot. Then in evening, as he drove up the hills, he began to feel cold. He stopped to wear the sweater mom had packed for him. So in evening, as he was moving forward, as he drove up the hills, what happened? He began to feel cool. So what he did, he stopped the car and he took out the sweater that Millie and Joy's mother had packed for him. So it means that Different places have different weather, isn't it? Though it was the same day, why do you think dad felt hot in the afternoon and cold in the evening? The day was same, Monday, but as he was moving forward, he faced different weather, right, children? So why do you think dad felt hot in the afternoon and cold in the evening? The answer is different places have different weather. It is usually colder up in the hills and warmer in the plains. So it means that different places will have the different weather, and up in the hills it will be very cold, children, when compared to the plains. Plains means what? A flat land. In the flat lands you can see the weather will be usually warm. So the different places have different weathers. Places near the sea are warm and enjoy cool breezes. Meaning of warm is not cold, and meaning of breeze is wind. So the places near the sea, there is a water body, large water body, will be warm and enjoy the cool breezes. Next, solve the riddles given below to find the words in the grid. Circle the words one has been done for you. So here the riddle is given below, and by the clues given below you have to find the word in the grid. Okay, the first one is already done. Like first question is dark and gray I bring rain. What is that? Of course, cloud. Okay, so answer is cloud. Cloud will be dark and gray, and clouds will bring the rain. Next is a band of colors in the sky I show up after rain. What is that? Yes, right, it's rainbow. Rainbow, how it will be? It is a band of colors, isn't it? And when will it appear in the sky? After the rain. Next is I am soft and white on a cold winter day or night. What is that? Soft and white will be snow, and it will snow usually in the winter days in some places. Next is I am moving air I blow everywhere. That's nothing but the wind, right? So wind is the right answer. Next is though you can't see me during the night, I make the day warm and bright. So what is the thing that you can't see during the night in the sky? Yes, right, that's nothing but the sun. Sun will not be visible during the night time, and during the daytime it will make the day warm and bright, right, children? Well, I would like to end up my revision till here. Inshallah, see you in the next video with the next part of this lesson revision. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.